Hello, friends. Today, we are going to meet a little bird that shines like a drop of sunshine, the goldfinch. Known for their bright yellow feathers, cheerful songs, and playful energy, goldfinches are some of the most delightful birds you'll ever see in nature. Goldfinches are small songbirds with striking colors. In the summertime, the males wear a dazzling golden yellow coat with a black cap on their heads and black wings marked with white. Females and winter males are softer in color, more of a muted olive or brownish yellow, but still carry that signature charm. Their tiny size and cheerful appearance make them look almost like flying sunbeams. Happy. One of the most fascinating things about goldfinches is their diet. Unlike many birds that eat insects, goldfinches are true seed lovers. They especially adore thistle, sunflower, and dandelion seeds. In fact, they are sometimes called wild canaries because of both their color and their sweet, warbling songs. Watching a goldfinch delicately perch on a flower stem, balancing as it pecks at seeds, is one of nature's simple joys. Goldfinches also have a unique nesting season. While many birds start building nests in early spring, goldfinches wait until midsummer. Why? Because by then, the fields are full of seeds and soft plant fibers, perfect for feeding their young and lining their nests. Their nests are little works of art, tightly woven, cup-shaped, and often so well made that they can even hold water. Another delightful thing about goldfinches is their flight. Instead of flying in a straight line, they use a bouncy, wave-like pattern, rising and dipping with each wing beat. As they fly, they often call out with a sweet potato chip sound, almost like they're playing a game in the sky. This joyful flight makes them easy to recognize, even from a distance. Goldfinches are also social birds. You'll often see them in flocks, especially outside of breeding season. In the winter, their bright yellow plumage fades to a duller olive, which helps them blend into the bare trees and shrubs. But even then, they stay together, visiting feeders and fields in groups, bringing life and energy wherever they go. Beyond their beauty, goldfinches are important to the ecosystem. By spreading seeds, they help plants grow and meadows thrive. Their gentle nature and cheerful songs remind us of the joy and harmony found in the natural world. Did you know goldfinches are also considered symbols of positivity, renewal, and good luck? Many cultures see their bright yellow color as a reminder of warmth, energy, and happiness. Seeing one in your garden can feel like a special gift from nature itself. So let's remember, goldfinches are more than just pretty birds. They are singers, seed spreaders, nest builders, and joyful companions to anyone lucky enough to watch them. With their sunny colors, playful flight, and sweet songs, goldfinches truly are little treasures of the bird world. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the life of the goldfinch. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures into the wonders of nature and immensits.